Come check it out.
Hey everybody, Chris Palmer here, and I am ready to rock this new site. We're at 35 Gilson Street in Little Britain, and we're about to tear out this kitchen and the bathroom to give this space a brand new look. Check it out. There you have it, folks. We've wrapped this project up, and let me show you what we did. Here in the kitchen, we've got a massive island. This thing is 9 feet by 4.5 feet. It's a waterfalled edge. It looks amazing. On the island, we did a nice induction cooktop. We also have a pull-out microwave drawer and an in-wall oven. Underneath, we have amazing sized pot drawers that allow for easy storage of all of your cooking essentials. Not to mention a nice pull-out rack. These beautiful quartz counters are set off with an amazing quartz backsplash made of the exact same material to make it look seamless. Not to mention, we have these amazing floating shelves and lovely under cabinet lighting, and even a beautiful display cabinet with glass. Farmhouse sink sets it off, one big basin for entertaining up here at this cottage, and a nice pull down faucet to make life that much easier when you're hosting. Another custom detail that we added, the client requested the look of a faux beam. So now we have these 4 large faux beams in the ceiling that make this cottage look perfect. If you remember, this bathroom used to be quite large. Well, now we've taken that one giant bathroom and turned it into 2 even better bathrooms. This used to be the entryway to the main bathroom, which was shared for the whole entire cottage on the upper floor. Now what we've done is turn this into the guest bathroom. And here's the back half of that bathroom that used to be one big space, and now we've got a beautiful ensuite for the master in this cottage. We've gone with a frameless glass shower, detachable handheld rain shower head, custom tiled floor with amazing nice little Schluter niche. We've done our area vents in the floor again with the tiles, and even added in a nice area vent for the ceiling, which disguises your fans when you're in the bathroom. The one thing about doing custom is that you get to put things that normally don't go there, like a toilet paper niche under your shower bench. Overall, I'm happy with this. The clients love it, and I'm looking forward to a summer ahead for them.